What's going on? It's Johnny Picante. I have a weird question. Do you want to see a magic trick? If not, I have no idea why you're on my video. All I need for this is a regular everyday dollar, and you don't even have to like supply this yourself. Ask some random dude on the street to give you $1, and you take your regular standard playing card. I'm gonna fold my dollar like this. I'm going to cut that part out. All right. So I'm going to take my everyday dollar and my everyday playing card, and I'm going to hold them in place like this. I want to hold your dollar behind the playing card. Now I'm just going to fold the dollar like this in front of the playing card, behind the playing card, whatever you'd call this, and then a magic shake. Magic shake. And as you can see, when I unfold the dollar, the playing card has slipped through the bill. And I can grab this dollar bill from anybody. This would have happened with any dollar bill. There's nothing with the dollar bill at all. The card is moving through the dollar bill. It's like it's stuck. All right, so to undo, you fold it the other way. You fold it where your everyday playing card. Look at that. Normal card is like this, and then you yank like this. Okay, cool. And now the card is free. You can take a look at that as normal. You can take a look at your dollar bill again. I'm keeping that though. The trick all comes from this right here. This is not an everyday playing card. I took 2 Queen of Hearts from the same type of deck, and then I cut like an inch maybe, like literally just about an inch from one of them, and I don't remember if I super glued or taped, but I'm not going to pull it apart to show you. But make sure to line them up as well as you can. When I'm flashing it, bam, you would never be able to tell. Now that you've known that that's what the trick is, you can tell. But other than that, regular card, anybody's dollar. And then, this is the tutorial part of it, by the way. You give a fold like that, about the size of what you cut off the card. Anyways, take your divot right there. Take your divot right there, slide it in like that. Now it looks like you've gone through the dollar. Hey, I know people say this in the YouTube videos, but I fear that you might forget if I don't remind you. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all later. So you can have graphic tees that are funny, original, and don't feel like shit against your body. Sounds crazy, right? But I mean, sillyshirtstore.com's been doing it. And they have stuff besides shirts too. They have fucking stickers, stuff for your bed, stuff for your walls. They even have cups. Check it out for yourself. sillyshirtstore.com. Thank you.